Snipers, you have to see what's happening with the Bitcoin price right now as equity markets are set to open up their regular trading session in less than 24 hours. Let's talk about what we're expecting this week with the equity markets. We know that S&P 500 September has historically been the worst performing month for the S&P 500 since 1964. And let's see if this September conforms to the previous standards, given that January through April were pretty much the opposite to historical standards. That's the mindset coming into this next week. And then check this out. Bitcoin tried to get above 20,000 US dollars, actually getting above 21,000 US dollars. And then we saw a bearish engulfing candle indicative of continued bearish momentum on the smaller timeframes, and this happened less than 4 hours ago. And then remember the key upcoming dates to watch, with September 13th being in the immediate short term. That's when CPI data comes out. Let's dive straight into the chart, snipers, for this midnight update to talk about what's happening to Bitcoin, because we do have some new key levels to talk about today, which is our previous weekly open. You can see 19,555 right now is the major support level for Bitcoin. This is our previous weekly open. And then the DXY, you can see also a previous weekly open at 108,836, another major support level that we'll have to monitor for the DXY, continuing to break into new yearly highs. The S&P 500, the immediate short-term resistance level is 4024, and that's for the S&P 500 E-mini futures contract. If we can get above 4024, that previous weekly open, then that's an early confirmation for a potential reversal. And we do have some support here with this market structural support that dates back to the yearly lows. And then let's talk about Ethereum. We went ahead and updated the previous weekly open there, 1426, sitting just below the 2018 previous all-time high at 1440 for Ethereum. That's the major support. 1760 right now is the immediate short-term resistance level. We can get above 1760, it'll invalidate this head and shoulder pattern that Ethereum is potentially forming here. And so 1760 is a very important resistance level for Ethereum. And then 1426, very significant as well. The Ethereum to Bitcoin chart, our previous weekly open sitting at 73,000 Satoshis. That's the major support level with the upcoming merge on September 15th. And so I think that the way that we started the video off talking about how the S&P 500 is at a crossroads right now. There are a lot of indicators stating that we potentially could have seen a bottom here, but more importantly right now for the S&P 500, we're testing the 20-week moving average at 4,000, and Bitcoin has decided to have its cup of coffee at 19,798, the 2018 previous all-time high, which by the way has held as monthly candle support since we saw the yearly lows form in June. And so 19,798 is certainly a key level for Bitcoin right now. The 2018 previous all-time high, a major support level. We have new weekly opens across the board, snipers. So let's continue to monitor the charts this week as we head into the open for equity markets. We'll start to see where institutions are placing their bets, and then maybe we'll start to see some volatility for Bitcoin. And with that, thank you all, snipers, for tuning into the channel today. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm if you support this content, and I will see you guys next time, snipers.